Have you ever heard that the more megapixels a camera has, the better the photos? Well, brace yourself for a reality check. The belief that more megapixels equate to better photo quality is a common myth in the realm of photography. Yes, megapixels matter. They determine the resolution of your images. More megapixels mean larger prints and detailed crops. But here's the kicker. They're not the end-all and be-all of photo quality. Consider this. A camera's sensor size, lens quality, and image processing software also play pivotal roles. A large sensor can gather more light, improving the image's brightness and clarity. High-quality lenses can capture sharp, distortion-free images. And sophisticated image processing software can enhance colors, reduce noise, and optimize contrast. In essence, a camera is a system, and megapixels are just one part of that system. So while they're essential, they're not the sole determinant of photo quality. So, next time you're buying a camera, remember it's not just about the megapixels. Ever been told that charging your phone overnight will damage the battery? Let's debunk this myth. The belief that overnight charging harms your phone's battery is as old as smartphones themselves. But rest assured, the tech world has evolved. Modern smartphones are smart indeed. They are designed with systems that cease the charging process once the battery hits the 100% mark. This means that even if you doze off with your phone plugged in, it won't overcharge. However, it's worth noting that while overnight charging won't fry your battery, heat can. Excessive heat can degrade your battery over time. So it's wise to ensure your phone is in a cool place while charging, away from other heat-generating devices or direct sunlight. Also, removing any heavy-duty case while charging can help keep temperatures in check. So you can sleep easy knowing your phone isn't going to explode if you leave it charging overnight. Think that full signal bars on your phone mean you're going to have great call quality? Think again. You see, those signal bars on your mobile device are a bit misleading. They reflect the strength of your connection to the nearest cell tower, not the quality of your calls or even your data speed. Think of it like this. You're at a packed concert, standing right next to the speakers. You can hear the music loud and clear, right? But can you hear your friend standing next to you? Not likely. That's because while you're close to the source of the sound, there's too much noise for clear communication. Similarly, your phone might have a strong connection to the cell tower, those full bars. But if the network is congested with too much data traffic, your call quality might still be poor. So don't just rely on those signal bars. They might not tell the full story. Believe that private browsing keeps your online activities completely private? Here's the truth. Private browsing, or as some may know it, incognito mode, has long been heralded as a cloak of invisibility, keeping your online adventures under wraps. But is it really as clandestine as you might think? The short answer is no. While private browsing doesn't save your browsing history, cookies, or form data, it's far from being a secret vault. Your online activities are still visible, like an open book, to certain entities. The Internet Service Provider, or ISP for short, can see your browsing data. Your employer, if you're browsing at work, has access too. And let's not forget the websites you visit. They're privy to your online behaviors as well. So, it's time to dispel the myth. Private browsing may give you a sense of security, but it's not the invisibility cloak it's often made out to be. So remember, private browsing isn't as private as you might think. These are just a few of the many tech myths that circulate around. We've taken a closer look at 4 of them today. The myth of more megapixels, charging overnight, full signal bars, and private browsing. Each of these myths, though widely accepted, crumble under the light of understanding and accurate information. It's important to remember that technology is a complex field, continually evolving and often misunderstood. It's easy for misconceptions to spread, especially when they seem to offer quick solutions or easy answers. But as we've seen, these myths can lead us astray. We've debunked these myths, not to create doubt, but to encourage a deeper understanding of the technology that permeates our lives. Now that you're armed with the truth, don't keep it to yourself. Share this video with your friends and help bust these tech myths. Remember, knowledge is power.